Coffee is a drink that has long flowed through the veins of the world, a bitter elixir that has ignited passions and fueled civilizations. It all began in the high plateaus of Ethiopia, where the bright red cherries of the coffee plant were first plucked from its branches and crushed to extract the seeds within. These seeds, or coffee beans, were soon discovered to hold within them a power unlike any other, a power that could enliven the mind and invigorate the body. The early inhabitants of Ethiopia cherished this newfound treasure, brewing a strong and bitter drink from the beans and sharing it among themselves. But the story of coffee did not end there. It soon spread to neighboring kingdoms, carried along commerce routes, and traded as a valuable commodity. From Ethiopia, the seeds of coffee made their way to the Arabian Peninsula, where they were carefully cultivated and transformed into the rich and fragrant brew that we know today. As coffee continued its journey across the world, it was embraced by new cultures and civilizations. From the courtly coffee houses of the Ottoman Empire to the steamy cafes of 19th century Paris, coffee became a staple of daily life, enjoyed by both the rich and the poor alike. But the story of coffee is not just one of culture and tradition. It is also a story of science and discovery. It was the scientists and botanists of the 16th and 17th centuries who first began to unlock the secrets of the coffee plant, studying its anatomy, chemistry, and biology. They discovered that coffee contained a complex mixture of compounds, including caffeine, chlorogenic acids, and diterpenes that combined to produce its characteristic aroma, flavor, and stimulating effects. Through further research, they were able to identify the specific compounds responsible for coffee's bitterness and develop methods to remove or reduce them. Today, the science of coffee continues to evolve as researchers seek to understand the full range of its effects on the body and mind. From the genetic manipulation of coffee plants, which produce higher yields, to the study of its potential health benefits, the story of coffee is far from over. So here we stand, at the crossroads of history and science, with a cup of coffee in our hands, a drink that has traveled the world and woven itself into the fabric of human culture, a bitter and invigorating elixir that has been with us through thick and thin. As we raise our cup, we can only wonder what the next chapter in the story of coffee will bring.